All right, cricket fans and aspiring entrepreneurs, today we're breaking down the journey of Virat Kohli. More than just a run machine, he's built an empire off the field that matches his success on it. With smart investments, personal branding, and calculated risks, Kohli transformed his passion into a financial powerhouse. Let's explore how Virat transformed from stadium glory to creating a diversified brand that earns even when he's off the pitch. 1. Performance as capital, turning skills into serious wealth. Virat's on-field success translated directly into brand power. His dedication, discipline, and unmatched skills have made him one of the world's most marketable athletes, attracting top global endorsements and sponsorships. Financial lesson: your skills and dedication are assets. Whatever you are good at, turn that into financial capital by positioning yourself as an expert. Excellence attracts opportunities and builds credibility. 2. Expanding beyond cricket, creating multiple revenue streams. Kohli doesn't rely solely on his cricket earnings. His ventures include fashion, 1/8 with Puma, fitness, Chisel Gym Chain, food, 1/8 Commune, and more. He's made sure his brand lives across industries. Insight: don't depend on just one source of income. Spread your revenue streams to spread risk and create stability. Building multiple sources of income can safeguard against unexpected changes. 3. Investing in personal growth, prioritizing health and fitness. Virat's lifestyle extends into his business ventures, especially fitness. From gyms to athletic wear, Kohli turned his dedication to health into a brand, aligning his passions with profitable enterprises. Financial insight: invest in yourself. Whether it's health, knowledge, or skills, self-improvement enhances your value and can open doors to business opportunities. Build on what matters to you. Spotting trends, moving at the right time. Virat launched his projects in fields like fitness and lifestyle just as wellness became a global trend. His 1/8 brand and Chisel gyms hit the market at the right time, boosting his financial footprint. Takeaway: timing is everything. In business, recognizing trends early can be a huge advantage. Keep an eye on emerging opportunities and be prepared to act swiftly when the timing is right. 5. Building a solid team, leveraging talent to scale. Kohli relies on a trusted team to manage his projects, endorsements, and branding. This arrangement allows him to focus on his career while his team handles business growth. Takeaway: invest in a reliable team. Surrounding yourself with the right people helps you scale without burning out. Delegating tasks can free up time for big-picture strategy and growth. 6. Kohli's playbook: authenticity, resilience, and smart growth. Virat Kohli's journey teaches key lessons. Stay true to your values to build trust and a loyal following. Turn setbacks into stepping stones by learning and adapting. Foster a positive reputation through generosity and social responsibility, and develop passive income streams to secure financial freedom. Success thrives on authenticity, resilience, and strategic diversification. Virat's playbook for financial success. Here's what we can learn from Virat Kohli's journey. Skill as capital. Build on what you do best to generate income. Diversify. Spread your income across multiple industries for stability. Invest in yourself. Grow your skills, health, and personal brand. Act on trends. Catching trends early is the key to growth. Build a team. Scale by relying on trusted people. Stay authentic. Align your brand with your values. Learn from challenges. Each setback is a stepping stone. Give back. Generosity and reputation attract opportunities. Generate passive income. Let your assets earn on your behalf. If you're inspired by this breakdown of Virat Kohli's business moves, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and let us know your favorite lesson from Kohli's journey. Until next time, stay dedicated, authentic, and build your own success path. Cricket Money.